Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect quesadilla the only way. We'll start by selecting the right ingredients. You'll want 8-inch flour tortillas for that ideal crisp and fold. For the cheese, a blend of Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar works wonders, offering both creaminess and a rich flavor. And remember, your fillings, whether it's seasoned chicken or sautéed peppers, should be pre-cooked and cut into small, manageable pieces for even distribution. Now let's get to assembling. First, preheat your non-stick pan or griddle over a gentle medium-low heat. This is crucial for a slow, even cook. Lightly butter one side of your tortilla. This gives it that irresistible golden brown crisp. Place the buttered side down, then sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your cheese, blend over half of the tortilla. Add a thin layer of your pre-cooked fillings, then another sprinkle of cheese to act as a delicious glue. Once your fillings are in place, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, pressing down gently to create a neat semicircle. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese starts to bubble. Then, with a spatula, carefully flip it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. Remember, patience is key for that perfect, even crisp. After achieving that perfect golden brown crust and gooey melted cheese, remove your quesadilla from the pan. Let it rest for just about 1 minute. This allows the cheese to set slightly, preventing it from oozing out when cut. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to slice it into 3 or 4 neat wedges. Serve your masterpiece immediately with classic accompaniments like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of cool sour cream. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.